Use a hex wrench to loosen the screw under the throttle handle. Then use a smaller hex wrench to loosen the screw on the throttle handle. By removing the grip, the throttle handle can be removed and replaced. When replacing the throttle handle, you need to remove the cable along the front of the car. The cable runs to the rear of the bike and requires the seat to be removed. Remove the 4 screws on the wire box. Take out the cables. Find the throttle cable and replace it. After replacement, fix the wire box, install the seat cushion, and organize the throttle cable.